Good morning, Mrs. Cooper. It's Bev from INS LifeGuard. Do you require assistance?
We had one client, Margaret, who was swimming and was perfectly fine. She had no symptoms, everything was fine. When she got out of the pool and put on her watch, it started detecting irregular heart rhythms, and that triggered an alarm with INS. We called and checked in with her and discussed what was happening. And with the nurse's insistence, she went and seen her GP, who put her on a traditional ECG, who was able to then rush her to hospital, and she was diagnosed with AFib. And now she started treatment to get the help that she needed. We had another client, Valerie, who used to be very big into her fitness and loved walking. She had a fall a few years ago, which resulted in her losing the confidence and not wanting to leave the house to do anything anymore without someone there. With LifeGuardian and the Apple Watch, she was able to get that confidence back and feel secure that while she was walking, she was able to get the help she needed, whether it was a fall, whether it was she didn't feel safe somewhere, or even if she'd just taken the wrong turn and was lost, she was able to push a button on LifeGuardian and get her, and INS would get her the help that she needs. LifeGuardian was developed for everyone so that they can get help when they need help for whatever it may be, whether it's a health issue, it's an emergency, it's just a question, anything at all.
We hire nurses to be our medical responders. We've all got medical background in various stages.
What is LifeGuardian? It is a solution that operates across a mobile device and a wearable such as the Apple Watch. It allows us to provide emergency response services, but importantly also allows us to provide wellness services, so we can proactively intervene in people's care. LifeGuardian provides a unique opportunity to provide some reassurance to people within the community. So it's not just a solution for in the home, but also a solution whilst you're away, and you can live your life knowing that if there is an event, that our LifeGuardian nurses are there to look over you.
It has the ability to detect falls, car crashes, monitor vital signs, get them help. The vital signs will track things in the background, and they may not know there's an issue, but it will still ask for help for them. With the Apple Watch, it's the world's most popular watch, so they can wear that and be tracked for their health.
We do have a lot of underlying health condition that we are not aware of, but with this LifeGuardian app, when a nurse is constantly looking at your numbers with a watch on your hand, and while we can see the data of every minute, every second, we can actually get to the bottom of it and see that what's actually happening.
It gave people their confidence back. We've had clients who had a fall, and even though they were okay and they were able to get up and look after themselves, the fact that LifeGuardian was there and asked if they were okay and wanted to call them help, they were extremely happy with that. The ability to monitor their health. We had clients who they were aware they had chronic health conditions, but they weren't aware to what extent, where we were getting daily alerts from some clients that their heart rate was dropping below certain thresholds that they had set. And this prompted them to follow up with their doctors and specialists to devise new treatment plans to get them the help that they need.